Trading for beginners starts with one uncomfortable truth. Trading is not a shortcut to fast money, and it is not a game of prediction. It is a skill built on probability, risk control, and behavior. Most beginners fail not because the market is impossible, but because they approach trading with the wrong expectations. They chase wins instead of consistency. They look for secret indicators instead of understanding how price moves. And they risk too much before learning how to protect capital. Trading is a business, and like any business, the first goal is survival before growth. If you cannot survive drawdowns, you will never experience compounding. The market rewards those who can stay disciplined over long periods, not those who get excited for one good week. Beginners must first understand what trading really is. Trading is the act of buying and selling financial instruments, such as currencies, stocks, or indices, with the goal of profiting from price movement. It is not gambling, because gambling has negative expectancy, while trading can have positive expectancy if rules are followed. But trading becomes gambling the moment you remove rules, risk limits, and discipline. This is why mindset comes before strategy. A beginner who has the perfect strategy but no discipline will lose money, while a disciplined trader with a simple strategy can grow slowly and consistently. The market does not care about your opinions, hopes, or fears. It only responds to order flow, liquidity, and time. Beginners often ask which market is best, Forex, stocks, crypto. The truth is, the principles are the same. Price moves because of buyers and sellers. What changes is volatility, structure, and liquidity. Forex is popular because it is liquid, accessible, and open 24 hours. But accessibility is also a danger because it invites overtrading. Beginners must understand time frames because confusion here creates losses. Lower time frames show noise, higher time frames show structure. Professionals align higher time frame bias with lower time frame execution. Beginners should avoid jumping between time frames without rules because this creates conflicting signals. Another core concept is risk management. Risk management is deciding how much you are willing to lose before you think about how much you can win. Professionals define risk first and reward second. Beginners do the opposite. This is why they blow accounts. The most common beginner mistake is risking too much per trade because they want fast results. If a single loss causes emotional pain, the position size is too large, period. A beginner should risk a small fixed percentage per trade to allow learning without emotional pressure. Position sizing is not optional, it is the foundation of survival. Another mistake is overtrading, taking trades out of boredom, fear of missing out, or revenge. Overtrading is not productivity, it is insecurity. The best beginners learn to wait. Waiting is a skill, and the market constantly tempts you to break it. Price movement alone is not a reason to trade. Beginners also obsess over indicators. Indicators are tools, not edges. Indicators lag price and should never replace understanding of structure, support, resistance, and market context. If you cannot explain why a trade works without an indicator, you do not understand the trade. Psychology is where most beginners fail. Trading exposes your weaknesses, impatience, fear, greed, and ego. Beginners must accept that losses are normal and required. Every profitable trader loses. The difference is how losses are handled. A loss taken according to rules is a successful trade because it preserves discipline. Journaling is critical. Beginners should record not just wins and losses, but emotions, mistakes, and rule adherence. Review builds awareness. Awareness builds control. Control builds consistency. Consistency builds profitability. Beginners must also understand expectancy. A system does not need to win often, it needs to win more than it loses over time, when risk and reward are balanced. Many beginners chase high win rates and cut winners early while letting losses run. Professionals do the opposite. They keep losses small and allow winners to grow. This creates positive expectancy.
Patience and discipline matter more than intelligence. Trading should feel boring. Excitement usually means emotional involvement. Professionals are calm, detached, and process-focused. Beginners should aim for the same behavior by reducing size, simplifying strategies, and focusing on execution. Scaling should come last. Size amplifies habits, it does not fix them. If emotions change when size increases, you are not ready to scale. Beginners should focus on consistency over many trades, not daily profits. Comparison is another hidden enemy. Social media creates unrealistic expectations. Beginners must ignore others and focus on their own rules. The only competition is between you and your discipline. Finally, understand this: trading success comes